National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Talbot County in eastern Maryland, eastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 2 p.m. At 1:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hartly to Queen Anne, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Quarter-size hail was reported near Sudlersville. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Milford, Denton, Harrington, Camden, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, Cheswold, Sudlersville, Bowers, Goldsboro, Queen Anne, Woodside, Viola, Hartly, Rising Sunshine, Lebanon, Star, Jumptown, and Hazlettville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following county, Kent, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Queen Anne's, and Talbot.